Hello everyone and welcome to the first Voipo walkthrough tutorial. Now this tutorial in specific is for those people who have or are going to be with us for a residential or small business account. Now if you do not yet have service, go ahead on over to voipo.com here. You're going to want to select if you're ordering for your home or just your small business, residential or business VoIP. Very similar, and just go ahead and click order now. Assuming you do already have service with us, we're just going to want to go ahead and access this VPanel login here at the top, which is going to give you access to your VPanel. Now your VPanel is essentially where you're going to have all your features laid out, anything else with us, your billing information, or if you wanted to open a support ticket, that's all going to be done in your VPanel here. So go ahead on up here, navigate over, and you're going to want to put in your username and password. Now your username for the again, this is for residential and our small business services. Your username is going to be your phone number for the account. So I'm just going to go ahead and use our demo account. Go ahead and click login. Now when you first log in, generally you're going to notice it will automatically just open up to one of these features windows for whatever reason. Okay. Now again, if you are watching this video and have a cloud account with us, a reseller account, or PBX, you might notice some slightly different features listed, or some just small differences with the tabs available to you. But assuming you are here for a residential or business account, this walkthrough is for you. Okay, now in the top right here, you're going to notice you do have a drop-down menu. So if you do have multiple phone numbers with us, you're going to be able to easily hop between those here in the top right. Obviously log out, obviously here. Now if you do have voicemails, this is actually really easy here, but it's just going to go ahead and show you in parentheses here how many you have, and you can go ahead and click on that. I'll just show you guys really quick. It'll also show you, or this will just give you access directly to those voicemails that you have in here, and you'll be able to go ahead and click play, listen to your voicemails. And this is also where you could update any settings here, but we'll go through that in a future walkthrough video. Okay, now the important thing to notice is here at the top you do have 4 tabs, and you're also going to notice this menu tab here on the left side. The 4 tabs: account, features, beta, and support. I'm just going to go ahead and walk through and show you guys what's in each of those. So here, the account tab, we'll start there. Now the first line item is billing information, and pretty straightforward. If you do need to update any information, your email address, your physical billing address, if you want to give us a contact number as a backup number, you can go ahead and do that right here. Excuse me. Now this next part down is just if you do get a new credit card or wanted to change the payment information, go ahead and do that here. And one caveat is when you do make those changes, make sure to click update billing details or update payment information or details, excuse me, so that it actually gets saved into our system. Now this next line item here is credits. That's just going to show you if you do have any credits available with us, or if you've used any credits here for things like international calls or a variety of our other features. This third tab here is very important. I just wanted to point this one out. Now, if you're just signing up for service, when you do get your packet in the mail, it is going to tell you need to go on here and fill out the E911 information. So that, again, is going to be located under accounts and this third line item down here. Now, this is important because this is going to be the address that is given to the emergency services if you have any kind of emergency where this number is located. So make sure that you keep this up to date. If you do change your address, obviously you're going to want to put in some new information in here. So, and it'll show you your past saved addresses down here at the bottom as well. Okay. This next line item, the fourth one down, is your invoices tab. And that's going to show you any invoices you have with us. If you've been a longer time customer, or if you have an account that's being billed monthly, you might have more invoices in here. If not, you may only have 1 or 2. Okay. The fourth tab down here, if you want to change your password, pretty straightforward. That's going to be done here. Promotions. Now this tab is just going to show you any promotions that we have going on. We are known to give promotions, I would say at least once a quarter. So go ahead and check over here if you're looking to renew service. Sometimes we do have promotions out for that. This one right now is 1 month international add-on for $7.95. Okay. And if you want to take advantage of that, you can actually go ahead and accept the promotion directly on here as well. Next is referrals. We do have a referral program, so if you do have someone you wanted to refer to using our VoIP service, you can go ahead and have them put your phone number in when they sign up for the service, and that does give you a free month of service. So anyone that does go through your phone number, you'll be able to see here, and I'll tell you the sign up date and the details for them as well. Next, we have the services tab down here, and that is just going to show you which services you have with us, when the next renewal is, as well as the rate and the phone number as well here. So you'll be able to access all of that information here. Now, usage charges, we'll get a little bit more into this in a future walkthrough video, but you're going to be able to access that right here, and it'll show you any usage charges. And the last item, line item here, is the VPanel preferences. Again, straightforward. This is just a few more features. So if you needed to make a change to your time zone, the display time, or how many rows are listed on a page, you can do all of that stuff here as well. Okay. Now that's it for the account tab. Going to briefly go over the next one, the features tab. So go ahead and click features if you're following along with me here. Now the features tab, I'm not going to go into full detail on these now because we are going to be doing walkthrough videos for each of these items down the road. So just going over here, when you click the features tab, you're going to see access to all of the different features available to you. Okay, now this is everything from your call history, which is currently highlighted, to caller ID, to voicemail, to fax, failover, pretty much everything that we offer. Most of those are going to be in here. Okay, so again, we'll go into those in some further walkthrough videos down the road, but that's where you access them. This third tab, beta, go ahead and click that. This one up here, this is where a few more of the advanced features are. That again, we'll go into further detail on our future videos, but you have everything from ordering international numbers to if you wanted to use your VoIP service on your cellular phone, whether that's an iPhone, Android, or Google phone. It's called a mobile soft phone. You're going to be able to access that here. And even things like SMS and text messaging. So again, we'll go through those in some individual videos here in the future. And this fourth tab here is also pretty important. If you guys do need to contact us or create a ticket for any issues that you may be having or experiencing, you're going to be able to go ahead and do that here. So in the support tab, it's also going to allow you to see any tickets that you do already have with us, which is just very convenient, so that you can kind of go back and also look and see the other issues that you've had and any of their ticket IDs. Okay. And the last thing here is this menu tab on the left side. Now, if you go ahead and click that, you're just going to notice this menu comes out, and it has the same four tabs, same four parent tabs as you'll notice here at the top. And essentially, this is the same menu as we have here at the top. It's just listed in a different way. So if you wanted to pull that out and hop between things, you can also do that here. Okay, now when you are done, obviously, make sure you log out of your account here in the top right. And one more thing that I will mention is you can also log in to your account by going to account.voipo.com/login. And this is also convenient if you wanted to just bookmark this page so that your login is right there. Go ahead and do that. It makes it a lot easier to access your account. So that's going to be all for this Voipo tutorial. Be on the lookout for more to come, or if you have any specific questions, comments, concerns, go ahead and leave a comment on this video, or reach out to us directly via the support line.